If you want to remove the background from a video in CapCut PC, this is the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, or just trying to clean up a clip for a more professional look, CapCut makes the process simple with its built-in background removal tool. In this video, I'll walk you through each step clearly, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a video background in CapCut without needing any advanced editing experience. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once you're inside the editor, start by importing the video you want to edit. You can usually do this by dragging your file into the project area or by clicking the import option and selecting your clip from your computer. After that, add the video to your timeline. This is important because CapCut applies most editing tools to the selected clip in the timeline, not just the imported file in the media bin. Once your video is on the timeline, click on the clip so it becomes selected. You'll know it's active when it's highlighted and ready for editing. Now look toward the top right side of the screen where the editing panel is located. This is where CapCut keeps different adjustment tools and clip settings. In that panel, find and open the Remove BG tab. This is the section specifically designed for background removal. When you open it, you should see the Auto Remove option. Toggle Auto Remove on and CapCut will automatically detect the subject in your video and remove the background for you. Depending on your clip, this may take a few moments and the result will usually work best when the subject is clearly separated from the background. If your video has good lighting and a clean contrast between you and the background, the removal will look even better. Once the background is removed, play back your clip to check the result. If needed, you can continue adjusting your project or add a new background behind the subject to create a more polished look. This is especially useful if you want a green screen effect, a transparent style cutout, or just a cleaner composition for your content. From here, you can keep editing as normal, add text, music, overlays, or export the finished video when you're done. So that's how to remove the background from a video in CapCut PC using the Auto Remove tool. It's quick, beginner-friendly, and a really useful feature if you want to make your videos look more professional in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.